It's been a really messed up week.
Hey, we're in Colombia right now. My name is Tegan. We just wanted to show the cutest dog ever. It's Millie, my little dog. Oh, she's the cutest dog ever. She's really small, you can see.
Yeah, look at my leg. She's like half of my leg. Yeah.
And we've had her quite for a long time, but we just wanted to show her.
Aww.
See how she's the cutest dog ever. And we bought we bought her about 5 days ago. Where is she gone? She's 2 years old. 2 years old. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay.
So look at her again.
And look at that one again.
Just take it off.